Hi, I'm Nancy with Your Yoga Flows Back Care Series. I designed these classes to help you find the perfect combination of mobility and stability in your body. So we'll go through a series of movements that will help you strengthen around the major joints, such as the hips. We'll practice slow, juicy stretches to help you ease out tension and maybe pain from your body. And we'll practice breathing, pranayama, to help settle your mind and balance your nervous system. You don't have to have a back issue to benefit from these classes, but if you do, and actually even if you don't, please listen to your body. Be really mindful of how all of the movements and shapes feel for you, so that you don't place yourself in a place of strain or discomfort. For these practices, it's great if you have a block or something like a block and a strap. So let's get started.